Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video of the Scrap Diva Designs November 2025 release. Thank you Erica for sending me these dies. You could find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com sometime in the beginning of November and get a 10% discount using the code PRISGEMIC10. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. First up, we have this 3D envelope box, A2 cards and envelopes. There's 2 pages here, and it includes the heart stamp here and also another kind of like a small rectangular postage stamp style with some bows and a heart, and it looks so cool because it's a 3D envelope box, so you can put a lot of 3D projects inside the envelope or other mementos and notes inside the box or some kind of treats in there. I think this is a really interesting die, so can't wait to work on this one. And then next up we have this Gingerbread Bakery word set, and it's a really fancy word with the shadow background piece here, so it's going to be wonderful for anything that is like gingerbread related, Christmas related. And there's also a gingerbread house that's 3D from, I believe, last year. You could put that on there too and it looks so great. And here we have the Christmas words 2025, and the words are holly jolly, and we have babe, and then this one's Christmas, Santa, and candy cane, vibes, gingerbread, chair. We have bright, festive, and merry, and here we have the wavy oval with bow, and I think this is so cool. It's like a wavy nice little tag here, and a big and a small, and it comes with a layering bow and layering tree and layering Christmas light. I think that's so cool. You can put it around here and decorate it, and we have a candy cane as well. Next up, we have this add-on for the 5x7 folio. There's 3 pages, and it looks really cute because there's these little gingerbread scalloped on the top edges here, and I think it looks so cool. And next up we have these little Santa minis, and there's a medium-sized one and a small-sized one, and it looks so cool. We had a large Santa mini album, I think number 2 from the month before, and so now we have all these little ones, and it includes the heart sunglasses as well. And here we have the, let's see what these are, versatile tag set. There's, oh no, sorry, these are the Christmas tags, and there's like 4 styles here, and it includes the reinforcement holes here, and there's a triangle with scallops on the edge, and then we have this special shaped one and many other shapes that you can use. And next up we have these winter flower sets. There's 3 sizes all in one plate so that you can cut them all out all at the same time, and it's great that you have all of them at the same time so you can start assembling them. And then here we have the versatile tag set, and this tag includes these really cool holes, and I guess you can put them on top of here, and you can fold it, so so one side goes here and the other side goes there, and it has a little hole here that you can put some strings or ribbons on it. And so there's different styles. We have the mouse head here, and then we have a gingerbread, and we have a house, and then here's a cup, a ribbon, and a heart. So there's so many different styles. That's why it's called a versatile tag set, and it's great for your presents. You can put the tag and say like who it's from and a little message. next up is this really cute gingerbread cookie bag topper. I think it's cute because it has a girl and a guy and they're like touching hands here, and so it's like attached onto this bag topper, and I think it's super cool that it's included on both sides, so you can like cut this out really quickly and decorate both sides, and it has the hole here. And yeah, you don't need to glue things or whatever it is. It's already like one piece, and then you just fold it in half here. So I thought this was like really neat. And next up we have this one. This one's called 3D Hot Cocoa gift pouch, and it's 2 pages. There's some marshmallows, and it's like the marshmallows are kind of melty, and then we have this melty thing on the pouch, and we have the word hot cocoa, and there's some handles, the mug handles, and this really cute spoon that's decorated, and it'll look great on the pouch. So I think this is like really awesome. And then now we have these door tags number 2. There's 2 sizes, one large and one medium, and it has bows and a wreath and leaves that you can decorate on the door, which is like really pretty. I think that's so cool. So yeah, there's 2 pages here as well, so those bows and the wreath and the leaves are at the back, and I think this is so cool. You have the tag here again, and then you can decorate it with these design details. And here we have 3D kisses box. You can decorate the box and add some kisses, chocolate kisses in there, and I think that's really cute. We have another bow layering here, and this probably label for the, so the bow goes on here, and there's a label here too, and some hearts, and I think this is adorable. And here we have the Heart Candy Cane mini album. I think this is really super cute because the heart album is shaped like this, and then you have the candy canes. So one goes on this side, and then the other goes on the other side to make a heart when you place the candy canes in the heart-shaped background piece. That's included in these 2 pages. It comes with the hinge for the album, which is great. And here we have this really neat lantern mini album. There's also 2 pages here, comes with the hinges, and there's yeah, there's this word Merry Christmas and some candles here, drippy candles, and you can layer it for this candle, and the hinge here is already included. And you can even hang this or put some like some charms here, whatever it is. It's like a hanging lantern. Yeah, there's multiple ways you can use this album, which is so great. You probably can even make it 3D too, so and make it like really like a lantern and then hang it. And here we have the Carousel Box with drawers. It sounds so cool. I like anything that's like carousel related, or like, yeah. And so there's 2 pages. There's a circle background piece with some lattice design on it, and yeah, this is so cool. And here we have Christmas tag stamps, and we have do not open until December 25th, from your Secret Santa, from our home to yours, Merry Christmas. And then we have Happy Holidays, Merry Latte, a gift for you. And then we have Merry and Bright, warm wishes, special delivery from your Secret Santa, and no peeking. And finally, we have this shadow box bundle. There's 2 pages, and I think this one is super cool too. Can't wait to make this. And it's like shaped like a TV, this one here. And here's the shadow box, and then the frame for the shadow box here. And you can put some like, I think you can put stuff in there and then have a scene in this TV, and I just think this is so awesome. And then the one behind, the second page, is the camera, and it works the same way. It has this like 3D kind of looking thing going on, and you can put an acetate here to make it like a window, and it's a camera with, like, you know, the lenses at the front, and so it's gonna be super awesome. And it also has a frame to outline it, so I think it's like super neat, and can't wait to put things inside the frame here. And yeah, it's so cool. Yeah, and yeah, that's about it for this release. It's a really big release, and so I can't wait to start making some projects and share with you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.